Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use WebAssembly with your web app. So we will be using C++. So basically what WebAssembly is, if you want to write some performance critical code or high performance code, you will use languages like C, C++, Rust, compile it to WebAssembly, and you can call it from your HTML or JavaScript code. So that's what we will be looking into. This would be a very basic example of printing hello world inside the console, but you will get an idea of how to do it with WebAssembly. So let's get started. So first I have opened one terminal and I have created a workspace sort of a directory. You can create that as well. And firstly we will have to clone this particular repo. So I'll just copy this command and paste it inside my workspace. It will clone this particular repo. Then we will have to, so it is basic, this will basically help us to convert our C++ code to WebAssembly code. Okay, so I will just move to this particular cloned repo which we have just created. Okay, and then we will have to run this particular command. So we have to install this particular thing. So I'll just quickly run this, and once this is run, this might take a little bit of time because it is analyzing our repo which we have just created. So here you should see something like this. Okay, once you see something like this, you just have to do emhdk install latest. So I'll just do this. Now this might take a lot of time because it is downloading some file for us, so let it do its own thing. What we will have to do is we will create another folder called hello world. You don't have to create it inside this emhdk folder, like create it outside wherever you feel like, or wherever is your web app code or JavaScript or HTML code. And inside that I will just write one cpp file, so C++ file. So I will just write hello world.cpp, and for now I will just copy paste this code. So I already have this code written, so I'll just open this because I'm not good at C++, that's why I'm not writing it by myself. So here is a C++ code. Basically we are printing hello world to the console. That's all this C++ file is doing and nothing else. Now let's see what's the next step is. So okay, is this finished? So this is still happening. So once this particular part is finished, then we will have to cd to our hello world directory and then run this emhdk activate latest command. So let's just wait till this is completed. Okay, so this is completed. So I will go to my hello world directory where I have created this .cpp file, and inside that I will just run emhdk activate latest, and you should see something like this. So here it gives you the command for configuring inside your path. Now this might be different for Windows. I am using a macOS, so I'm not really sure. For Windows I think you will have to add this path inside your environment, inside your, I think that path environment variable, something like that in Windows. Okay, so I'll just paste this over here and it will add it to our path. Now make sure you reopen your terminal. So I'll just quit my terminal because sometimes it does not take effect. So I will reopen my terminal. Okay, and here okay, I'll just reopen it again. Okay, like this is the default thing which gets printed for me because of, I think, Z shell. Okay, and I will then just navigate to hello world app again. So I'll just close this. I will just navigate to my hello world folder, and then inside that we just have to run this particular command emc space hello-world.cpp. okay, there is no dash in my cpp file, so I'll just remove this dash. And it basically what it will does is that it will create a WebAssembly file for us as well as a JavaScript file for us. So just concentrate over here. Now this again might take a little bit of time depending on how big or small your C++ code is, but in the meantime I will simply create an index.html file. Okay, and here I will just add that HTML5 syntax. Okay, sorry, HTML5. okay, and here inside the body I will just add one script tag. Once that particular okay, so something like this. Once this WebAssembly JavaScript file is created, we will just add that. So it is still running. Let's just wait for it to finish, and once that is done, you will see 2 files being generated inside our hello world directory. Also, so here you can see the wasm file was generated. Now it will generate a JavaScript file as well. So here you can see the JavaScript file is also generated. So I'll just replace main.js with a.out.js. Now you can't directly open the index.html inside browser. You will require one server. Now VS Code has a cool extension called live server, so something called go live server. So I'll just click on this live server, and it will automatically create one server for me and run my index.html. So if I just open the try to click on inspect element, if I click on console, here you can see hello world was printed. So yeah, that's it. Now suppose if I try to refactor my C++ code, hello nobody, okay, and then again I'll have to recompile it. So again it will take little bit of time. Okay, so this time it was pretty fast, and if I try to refresh this, hello, here you can see it has printed hello nobody. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.